begin making your lemon meringue pie, you need a crust. You can buy a store-bought pie crust or you can make your own. To make your own, you need a half a cup of sifted all-purpose flour, a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a cup of shortening, and 4 to 5 tablespoons of cold water. Mix well and chill for 30 minutes in the refrigerator. Roll out to 1/8 of an inch, put in a 9-inch pie plate, and fold the edges under and fluke. Prick the bottoms and sides well with a fork and bake at 450 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. For the filling, you'll need 1½ cups of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, a dash of salt, 1½ cups of hot water, 3 slightly beaten egg yolks, 2 tablespoons of butter, and a 1/3 cup of lemon juice. In a saucepan, mix your first 4 ingredients. Then you're going to stir in the hot water. Quickly bring to boiling and stir constantly. Reduce the heat and continue cooking and stirring 8 minutes. Stir a small amount of the hot mixture into the egg yolks and then return to the hot mixture. Bring to boiling and cook 4 minutes, stirring constantly. Add the butter and slowly stir in 1/3 cup of lemon juice. Then pour into a cooled pastry shell. For the meringue, you will beat 3 egg whites with 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Then you will gradually add 6 tablespoons of sugar, beating until stiff peaks form and the sugar has dissolved. Then you will spread the meringue over the filling. After you have finished spreading the meringue over the filling, you will bake the pie in a 350-degree oven for 12 to 15 minutes.